Hi everyone! I'm Yuumei. I'm an artist and designer, and I'm so excited to share my first ever art book with you. Sanctuary will be a collection of my best paintings from the last 10 years. I have taken inspiration from all aspects of my life. It will feature everything, spanning multiple themes and diverse art styles, from glass instruments to cities of Asia, from whimsical childhood to the darker times, and so much more. All 124 pages of art will be bound in a beautiful hardcover, with laid flat pages so that no art is lost in the folds. I've spent months reviewing the various samples and making sure the book is top quality. My online shop has been delivering thousands of prints, wall scrolls, and more for many years, so I'm confident that the experience I gained will allow quick and smooth shipping of the art books as well. Your pledge will help me bring this book to life and make it available to the world. Not only will you receive the book, you'll also have the chance to get a limited signature or stamp, as well as exclusive prints that will only be available for this campaign. Thank you all so much for supporting me throughout my growth as an artist, and I hope you continue to support me in making this art book a reality. And please have a look at the different rewards and details below.